Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to Trezor. So to get started, so the first thing to do is to set up your Trezor C5. So connect your Trezor to your computer or phone using the Trezor Suite app. Then finish the initial setup and create or restore your wallet. Make sure you have your recovery phrase saved securely. Then after that, the next thing to do is to set your receive address from Trezor. So in your Trezor suite, select the crypto you want to receive, for example Bitcoin or Ethereum. Then click receive and copy your Trezor wallet address. Double check the address on your Trezor device screen and confirm it matches. Then after that, open the Coinbase app or website, then log in to your Coinbase account, or go to your you can also go to your crypto portfolio and select the assets you want to send. Then from there, send the crypto. So to send your crypto, tap send or withdraw. Then paste your Trezor wallet address, copy from the step 2, then select the amount you want to send, and from there you can choose the correct network. So don't send it on a non-Ethereum network. So make sure the network both rhymes each other to avoid loss of your fund. So tap continue and review the details and confirm the transfer. So once that is done, verify the transfer. You will get a confirmation from Coinbase if in a few minutes, depending on the network. So the fund will appear in your Trezor wallet balance once the confirmation is confirmed. And that's it. Hope you find the video a little helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.